Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super useful tutorial for you, especially if you love staying organized with dates and deadlines. We're diving into how to create a day countdown formula in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up an automatic countdown for any important dates you've got coming up, whether it's a project deadline, an event, or even someone's birthday. So let's jump right in and make your spreadsheets work a little harder for you. Alright, first things first, I'm going to assume you already have some dates saved in your Google Sheet. Maybe you have them listed out in column B, which is a really common way to organize things like upcoming events or due dates. If they're not there yet, no problem, just type a few future dates into column B for practice. Now, what we want is a cell right beside your first date where the countdown will appear. Think of it like setting a timer on your phone, but instead, it automatically updates every single day so you always know exactly how many days you have left. Now let's enter the formula that will do all the heavy lifting for us. Click on the first empty cell next to your date, say C2 if your date is in B2. Then you're going to type this formula and make sure to follow along. Equals B2 today on days. Let's break down what's happening here. The today part grabs today's date straight from your computer's clock so you never have to worry about updating it. When we subtract today from B2, Google Sheets calculates the number of days between today and your event date. The in days bit is just adding the word days after the number. It's a small touch, but it makes your sheet so much easier to read at a glance. After typing in the formula, go ahead and press enter. You should instantly see a number pop up in that cell, something like 15 days if your event is 15 days away. If you see a negative number, don't panic. That just means the date has already passed. If you want, you could add some more magic to hide those negatives, but for now, we'll keep it simple. Now for the best part, saving yourself time. Instead of typing that formula into every single row, you can simply click on the little blue square in the bottom right corner of your formula cell. This is called the fill handle. Once you see that small square, click and drag it down alongside your list of dates. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the formula for each row, counting down to all your important dates at once. Super handy, right? This is one of those little spreadsheet tricks that ends up saving you so much manual work, especially if you're tracking a big list of events. If your numbers look odd, double-check that your dates are actual date values, not plain text. Sometimes Google Sheets gets finicky about formatting, so don't feel bad if you need to retype a date or reformat a whole column. That's totally normal. So there you have it. With just a quick formula and a drag of the mouse, you can keep an eye on every countdown in your life, automated right in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, ask any questions you have down in the comments, and of course, subscribe for more tips to level up your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.